mathematics class. This class is for class 8 in continuation to the previous class of algebraic identities. In the previous class we have done up to exercise 13b. Now today we will be discussing with a new identity and a new exercise. So that new identity is a square minus b square is equal to a plus b multiplied by a minus b. How it came? Simply if you multiply a plus b and a minus b, minus into plus is minus, b into b is b square, minus b into plus a is minus ab, plus a into plus b is plus ab. Since they are like terms, they will be written one under each other. A into a is plus a square, so we will write only a square. Now when we add, you will get a square, this positive negative cancel, minus b square. So that is why it is a square minus b square is equal to a plus b and to a minus b. Now we move on to exercise 13c. We will take the first question. First question has 10 parts, so we will be doing in the multiples of 2. Write down the product of first question. Second part is write the product of p plus 1 into p minus 1. If this is considered as a and 1 is considered as b, so it is in the form of a plus b and a minus b. We know a plus b and a minus b is a square, that is p square, minus b square, that is 1 square. So it will become as p square minus 1, final answer. Now we move on to the fourth part. What is the fourth part? 3b plus 7. 3b plus 7 in one bracket and multiplied by 3b minus 7 in other bracket. So this is a, this is b, a, b. A plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. A square is 3b whole square minus b was 7. 7 square. 3 square is 9b square minus 7 square is 49. That is the final value. Now sixth part. Sixth part is 5p square and 7 cube. 5p square minus 7 cube multiplied by 5p square plus 7 cube. Now 5p square can be considered as a and 7 cube can be considered as b. So it is a minus b into a plus b. This is again considered as a. This is considered as b. So a minus b into a plus b. A minus b into a plus b is a square minus b square. So that will be a. A is 5p square. Its square minus 7q square. So 5 square is 25, p square will be p to the power 4, 7 7s are 49, q square. That is the answer. Now we move on to the eighth part. Eighth part is ab plus c and ab minus c. ab minus c and ab plus c. Again a minus b, a plus b is a square. So ab square minus, we know that a minus b into a plus b. A minus b into a plus b is a square minus b square. So a square minus c square. So final value will be a square b square minus c square. That is the final value. Now we move on to the 10th part of the question. That is 10th part. 10th part is a square b cube, a square b cube minus x cube y to the power 4, and in the other it is in positive, means a square b cube plus x to the power 3, y to the power 4. Find the value. This will be considered as a, this again b, again it is a and b. So a minus b into a plus b, that is a square. That will be a square b cube. This total is a, so it's square. A square minus b is x cube and y to the power 4, its square. So it will become a square, square is a to the power 4, b to the power 3 square is b to the power 6 minus similarly x to the power 6, y to the power 8. That is the final value. Now I have taken question number 2, second part. It is L plus M plus N and L minus M plus N. This can be written as L plus N in one bracket plus N like this, and then we can write L plus N minus M like this. What we have done, L and M I have taken together and made them as a term A. So now it can be written as L plus M plus N, or if you want, this can be written as L plus N plus M and L plus N minus M. So this has been considered as A and this has been, M is considered as B. Similarly A and B. So A plus B, A minus B. We know A plus B and A minus B is equal to A square minus B square. So to write it, we'll write it L plus N, that was A, square minus B, that is M, square. So that is the final value. If you want to expand it, this can be written in the form of a plus b whole square, that is a square plus b square plus 2ab. Even this can be the answer, or if you want, you can expand this, a square plus 2ab, that is 2ln plus b square and minus m square. Both of them are right. This we have expanded, but this is not been extended. So both of them answers are right. Now third question, second part, it is 2 minus x, 2 plus x into 4 plus x square. So first, when you concentrate on these two numbers, it is in the form of a minus b and a plus b. So a minus b and a plus b can be written as a square minus b square, and then other we'll copy down the rest part, 4 plus x square. 2 square is 4, it means it is given as 4 minus x square into 4 plus x square. Now this can be, 4 can be considered as a, x square can be considered as b. This is again in the form of a minus b, a plus b. That can be written again as a square. So a square minus b square, b is x square, its square. So final 4 square is 16 minus x to the power 4, that is the final value. Now question number 4 is simplify a plus b into a minus b, b plus b into b minus c plus a into c minus a. We know a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square according to the given identity, plus b plus c and b minus c will again be written as b square minus c square. A plus b, a minus b is equal to a square minus b square, plus c plus a into c minus a can also be written as c square minus a square. Now plus a square minus a square cancelled, plus minus b square plus b square cancelled, minus c square plus c square cancelled, everything cancelled, final value is 0. Now we move on to question number 5. Now question number 5, it has 4 parts. I am starting with second part and maybe we'll do the fourth part or the third part. In this you have to find the product of these two numbers, find the value of or find the product of using this identity. It is not, don't think it that simply you have to multiply 505 into 495. Now 505 can be written as 500 plus 5 and 495 can be written as 500 minus 5. It means both these terms are now written in the form of a plus b and a minus b. We know that a plus b multiplied by a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. It means this can be written as a square. A is 500 square minus b is 5, so 5 square. Now 500 into 500 is 2,50,000 minus 5 square is 25. When you subtract, this will become 75, 9, 9, 9, 9, 4 and 2. That is the final value, 2,49,975. Now third part is 1.97 into 2.03. Again 1.97 can be written as 2 minus 0.03 and 2.03 can be written as 2 plus 0.03. So this is a minus b and a plus b form. We know that a minus b into a plus b is a square minus b square. So we will write it a square minus b is 0.03 square. A square minus b square. 2 square is 4 minus 0.003 will be 0.0009. When you multiply 0.03 into 0.03, 3 3 is a 9, 300, no need to put 300. Now 000 and 000. 90000. How many decimals we put? 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. So it is 0.0009 this way. Now when you have to subtract from 4, you have to subtract 0009. So what you will do? 1 2 3 4 zeros will be increased, because we know that after the decimal the zero has no meaning. But when you subtract, 10 minus 9 is 1, 9 9 9 and 3. So final value will be 3.9991. That is the final value. Now we move on to the next question. Now we have taken question number 6, second part. First part you will do on your own. This is given in the form of, the question is 282 square minus 18 square, or this is given in the form of a square minus b square. We know that a square minus b square can be written as a plus b into a minus b. So a square minus b square can be written as a plus b and a minus b. Now when you add 8 and 2 10, 8 1 9 1 10 0, this will become 300. 300 into 8 and 4 12, 7 minus 1 6, 264. When you multiply, 4 3s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 1 19, 3 2 6 1 7 9 2 0 0 is the final value. When you will multiply them, 282, this can be written as, this is a square minus b square, can be written as a plus b into a minus b. 282 plus 18 is 300, 282 minus 18 is 264. Now simple multiplication, so when you multiply you will get this value. Now seventh question, I have taken second part. It is, the question says simplify. Simplify 3.59 into 3.59 minus 2.41 into 2.41 upon 3.59 plus 2.41. This you can see, this number is multiplied to itself. It means this can be written as 3.59 square minus, this can be written as 2.41 square upon whatever is the denominator. Let the denominator be as it is. We are not going to solve. Now we know that this has been given in the form of a square minus b square, can be written as a plus b and a minus b. So I'm writing it 3.59a plus 2.41b. This has been written in the form of a plus b in the other bracket 3.59 minus 2.41. We know that a square minus b square is a plus b a minus b. So a plus b into a minus b upon 3.59 plus 2.41. Now this total value and this total value, whatever it comes, it will be same. So this and this numerator and denominator will cancel. Only what is left with us? 3.59 minus 2.41. 9 minus 1 is 8, 5 minus 4 is 1, 3 minus 2 is 1. That is the final value. Now we move on to the fourth part of the question. Fourth part is 37.85. 37.85 into 37.85 minus 12.15 minus 12.15 into 12.15 upon 37.85 minus 12.15. I think this is the question. Now this is also a square minus b square. So first of all, write it in a proper form. 37.85 square minus 12.15 square upon 37.85 minus 12.15. We know these two can be a square minus b square can be written as a plus b and a minus b. So we are writing this in the expanded form. That will be 37.85 plus 12.15 a plus b and 37.85 minus 12.15, that is a minus b, upon 37.85 minus 12.15. Now whatever value of this and this, both of them will be equal because the digits are same, so simply we can cancel them as numerator and denominator. Numerator and denominator cancelled, we got 37.85 plus 12.15. So 5 and 5 10 0, 8 1 9 1 10 0, 1 carry 7 2 9 1 10 0, 3 1 4 1 5. Final value is 50. That is the final answer. So I hope we have finished all the exercises in this chapter, algebraic identities. I expect you all to practice all the questions, and these questions which have been done on the board have to be there in your fair notebooks. So by the time, stay home, stay blessed, and please do comment so that I can make it much better. Thank you.